students, welcome to the e-learning class. So as you all of know that in our previous class we already studied about the linear equation in two variables. Okay, we also studied the condition in which we can get solution of the equation. Okay, so can you recall those conditions? How many conditions were there? Yeah, very good. It's three conditions. First one is when there is only one and unique solution. Okay, and at this time the lines are intersecting, and in the second position we have no solution, and in this condition the lines are parallel. Okay, and in the third condition there is infinite solutions. It means so many solutions you have. Okay, and in this condition the lines are concurrent. It means they are overlapping on each other. So let's start today. Today we will see some more properties of these linear equations. How to draw the graph of linear equations in two variables. Okay, so today we will learn how to draw a graph of linear equations. So we already know that we always given the pair of linear equations. Okay, we can find a solution if there are a pair of linear equations. So look here, you can see there are two equations. This is equation first and this is equation second. Okay, so let's draw the graph of first equation. So I think you have to remember your previous class experience also, how to draw a graph of any equation in two variables. Okay, so we have first equation, it is x plus 2y is equals to 35. Okay, from here we can get the value of x, or we can write x equals to 35 minus 2y. Now after this what we have to do? Yes, correct. Now we will make a table. Okay, so there is a table. Here we have to put the values of x and y. So if you look at this equation, so you have to put the value of y, because we have to find sorry because we have to find the value of x, which is on the left side. So we have to put the value of y, which is on the right side. So let suppose you will take value of y as 0. You can take any value. Okay, suppose we take first value as 0, then what will be the value of x? Okay, let's see how we can find the value of x. So x equals to, yes, you have to put the value of y 0 here, 35 minus 2 into 0. So the answer is x equals to 35, because 2 zeros are 0. So x, the value of x is 35. So what value we get? It is, yes, very good, 35. Again you can put the value of y as 5. So again 2 5s are 10, 35 minus 10 is 25. If you put 10, 2 10s are 20, 35 minus 20 is 15. So that's how you can get so many values of x and y. Okay, and with the help of these values we can draw a graph very easily. Okay, so this is the process to draw a graph. So these are the graph of these two equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now graphical representation of pair of linear equation in two variables. So here we have two equations. So same as the previous classes, we can get the values of x and y. Here price of one book, this is x, and price of one pen, this is y. So 5, 15, then 25, it is 5, then 15, it is 10. So these are some values of x and y. Here we can put all these values here. When x equals to 5, then you can get the value of y. Okay, this is 15. Now when x equals to 25, so put the value and you will get, yes, it is 5. And when x equals to 15, then the value of y is, yes, it is 10. So these are some values by which we can draw a line. Okay, so also remember one thing, that to draw a line, if you want to draw a line, so you need minimum 2 points. Okay, you need minimum 2 points. So if you have 3 points, 4 points, 5 points, then it is better. Okay, now we take the next equation, it is 2x plus 2y equals to 50. Again, these are some values of one book and pen. So if you put the value of x is 15, and you can find the value of y as 50 minus 2 15s are 30 and divided by 2, and the answer is 10. So if you put x equals to 10, and it is 50 minus 2x divided by 2, which is 15. When x equals to 5, then it is y equals to 20. So these are some values for the second equation, and with the help of these points you can draw a graph. So this is for first equation, this is for second equation. Okay, now you can draw the graph very easily. This is x axis, this is y axis. So these are 1 2 3 4. You can choose any scale which is convenient to you. So this is our graph. Now we can take a scale as x axis. In x axis 1 unit is equals to 5 rupee. Okay, because you can see that there are these values are multiple of 5. So 5 is a convenient unit. And again for y axis 1 unit equals to 5 rupee. So both we take the same 5 rupees for both the axis, x axis and y axis. Okay, so this is our graph. The horizontal line is, very good, x axis, and the vertical line is, yes, it is y axis. So first point is 5 comma 15. So where is the 5 comma 15? So first go with x axis, it is 5, and then go upside, and this is 15. So this is our point, 5 comma 15. So here it is 5, then go upside, it is 15. Now the next point is 25 comma 5. Now it is 25, then it is 5. Okay, then the next point is 15 comma 10, and again this is 15, and on the upside this is 10. Okay, so now we uh, we uh, we uh, we have located 3 points: 5 15, 25 5 and 15 10. Okay, now if we connect all 3 lines, so all 3 points, so we get a straight line. From here we can get a straight line. So this is the line for the first equation. Now for the next equation, it is 15 comma 10. So now you can easily find 15 comma 10. This is 15 and again this is 10. So next point 10 comma 15. This is 10 and this is 15. And the last point is 5 20. This is 5 and this is 20. Okay, so from here you can make another line. Okay, so connect all 3 lines, then you will get a next line which represents the second equation. And here you can see that both lines are intersecting at one point. Can you tell me which point is this? Yes, very good. This is 15 comma 10. So both lines are intersecting at one point which is 15 comma 10. What does it mean? Yes, very good. So this is called the solution of both the equation, and this is one and unique solution. Okay, so from here we can get the value of x is 25 and value of y as 10. So x equals to 15 and y equals to 10. The pair of linear equations has unique solution. So it's easy to get the graph of linear equation as it represents a straight line. Okay, now I think you can understood then what is linear means here, because these represents a straight line. 2 points are enough to get a straight line. So there is another easy way to getting the 2 points. So this is our equation, 1x plus 2y equals to 35. So once we take x equals to 0 and get the value of y, and in the next we take y equals to 0 and then get the value of x. So that's how we can get 2 points which are minimum to make a straight line very easily. Okay, so first put x equals to 0 and then you will get y equals to 35 upon 2. This is 17.5, and now put y equals to 0, then you will get x equals to 35. So these are the 2 points, and now we can draw these 2 points on graph. From here put x equals to 0, and put y equals to 0. Now you have to plot the graph for first one, 0 comma 17.5. Put same scale, 1 unit 5 rupees and 1 unit 5 rupees. Okay, so first we have to draw 0 comma 17.5, and this is here. Now draw 35 comma 0, which is at this point, and now if you connect both the equation, then you will get a straight line. So this is so easy to get a straight line. Now same process for the second equation, 0 25, and then next is 25 comma 0. And from here you can also get the points at which both lines are intersecting. which is again 15 comma 10. Okay class, now it's question time. Give the answer. If the pair of linear equations have infinitely many solutions, then the lines representing these equations will, and your time starts now. Will coincide, intersecting at one point, parallel to each other, or parallel to x-axis. Okay class, your time is getting over. Okay, so finally time is over. So correct answer is A, coincide. Okay, now look at this situation. Romila went to stationery shop and purchased 2 pencil and 3 erasers for ₹9. So here we have to represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So this is Romali. She went to a shop and buy 2 pencils and 3 eraser, and she paid ₹9. Again her friend Sonali, she again went and she also bought the same kind of pens. So she bought some pencils and eraser, 4 pencil and 6 eraser. So here first we have to make a equation for both these. So for Romila, cost of 2 pencils plus cost of 3 erasers equals to 9. Okay, here you can see 2 pencil and 3 eraser. So it is cost of 2 pencil and cost of 3 eraser equals to ₹9. Okay, again you have to check, let cost of pencil x and cost of eraser is y. So you have to assume that cost of each pencil be x rupees and cost of each eraser is y rupees. So from here cost of 2 pencils 2x plus 3y equals to ₹9. So this is our first equation. Again for the next one, now it is 4 pencil plus 6 eraser. So again 4x, then again yes 6y and equals to 18. Very good. So this is our second equation, and these are the algebraic representation of the situation. Now you have to draw graph, and you can apply easy way or this method also. Put x equals to 0 and you will get y equals to 3. Now put y equals to 0 and then you will get x equals to 3. So these are the points 0, 3, 3 comma 1 and minus 3 comma 5. For this equation again put x equals to 0 and y equals to 3. Then x equals to 3 and y equals to 3. So this is the graph for the first equation. Here you have pointed 3 points and 2 lines are coincident. So here you can see that both the lines are coincident to each other. Okay, if you draw, then you will get a same line. So here we can say that there are infinite many solutions. So every point on the line is a common solution to both the equation. So the equations 2x plus 3y equals to 9 and 4x plus 6y equals to 18 have infinitely many solutions. So these are the coincident line. Okay students, again question time. If a pair of linear equation is inconsistent, then the lines will be, and your time starts now. Okay, and your time is over. So yes, correct answer is lines are parallel to each other. Okay, now see another situation. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes is 160. So again, cost of 2 kg apples and cost of 1 kg grapes is rupees 160. Okay, so here again you have to assume cost of apple x and cost of grapes is rupees y. Cost of each kg apple bx and this is y. So now you tell me students what equation you will get. Yes, very good. Okay, so this is 2x plus y equals to 160. So this equation 2x plus y equals to 160. So this is our first equation. Now again, same as the first one, you can create the next equation also. Okay, now it is 4 kg apple, 2 kg grapes. This, yes, what is the cost of 4 kg apples? Excellent, it is 4x. Then you have 2y equals to 300. So these are the two equations. 2x plus 1y equals to 160 and 4x plus 2y equals to 300. Okay, now you have to draw a graph which is the geometrical representation of both the equation. This is algebraic representation. Okay, now if you draw a graph for both these equations, so you will get a geometrical representation. So start. You can draw a graph. So put the values y, let x equals to 10. So you will get value of y as 140, x equals to 20, you will get 120, x equals to 30, 32 just 60, 160 minus 60 is 100. So value of y is 100. These are the 3 points. For this one, put x equals to 10, it is 260 upon 2, 130. It is 220 upon 2, which is 110. And y equals to 180 upon 2, which is 90. So from here you can see that we are getting two lines, but these are, yes, these are parallel to each other. Okay students, so how many solutions can you get? Yes, very good, excellent answer. There is no solution means we will get zero solution. Okay, there is no solution for both the equation. So both are not they are not intersecting, so there is no solution. Okay, now look at this another problem. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you. So here let the present age of Aftab be x and present age of his daughter be rupees y. Now what is the 7 years ago? The age of Aftab will be x minus 7, because if we get a age of 7 years ago, then you have to subtract 7 from the present age, and the age of daughter is again y minus 7, because her present age is y years. So it is said that Aftab is 7 times of his daughter. So we can put x minus 7 equals to 7 into y minus 7. And after solving this one, this is our first equation, x minus 7y equals to minus 42. Now after 3 years, so if you want to get after 3 years, so you have to add 3. It is x plus 3 and y plus 3, and again Aftab is 3 times. So now we have got 2 equations. This is the algebraic representation. Again, for graph, put the values. Is 0, 6. Now put the value of x as 7. For the next one, put the value of y is this. Okay, now you can easily draw the graph of both the equations. So here we can see that these lines are not parallel, so there is unique solution. Now the 2 lines are not parallel, so they will meet and then we will get a point. Okay, again question time. The graph of linear equation in 2 variable is a. Your time starts now. It is a point, straight line, curve or plane. Okay students, your time is getting over, and finally it is over. Yes, correct answer is B. It is a straight line. Okay, now next question. The coach of cricket team buys 3 bat and 6 balls. Again, take cost of each bat x rupees and balls y rupees. So 3 bat plus 6 ball equals to rupees 3900. Okay, so if you put bat as x, ball as y, so what is the equation you will get? Yes, very good. 3x plus 6y equals to rupees 3900. Okay, so let's take bat as x and ball as y. So first equation is 3x plus 6y equals to 3900. Same for the next one. She buys another bat and 2 more balls. This is our next equation. 6y equals to 3900 minus 3x. X equals to, so these are the points of 2 equation. Now you can easily draw. Here you have to take the scale as 1 unit 100 rupees and 1 unit as 100 rupees. So you have to take the gap of as 100. And after drawing graph, we get that these 2 lines are coincident. Okay, so from here we can conclude that there are infinitely many solutions. Again question time. the pair of equations which are, and your time starts now. So what will be the answer? Okay, and your time is over. So correct answer is B. Now form the pair of linear equation in the following problems. Again, 10 students of class 10 took part in mathematics quiz. So there are some girls, some boys. Now number of girls is x and number of boys be y. So what is the first equation? Number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. Okay, so this is our first equation. So from here, the number of girls is equals to number of boys plus 4. So x plus y equals to 10. Total number of students are 10. And x equals to y plus 4. And from here, you will get two equations, x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equals to 4. And then after, you can draw a graph, and then you will get that these 2 points are intersecting at this point. So from here we can say that x equals to 7. This is the solution of these two equations, x equals to 7 and y equals to 3. So number of girls is 7 and the number of boys is 3. Six. Let the cost of one pencil be rupees x and cost of one pen be rupees y. Okay, so what is the total cost? 5 pencils plus 7 pens equals to rupees 50. So students, tell me what will be the equation for this problem. Excellent answer. Okay, it is 5x plus 7y equals to 50 rupees. So this is our first equation. And for the next one, 7 pencils and 5 pens, it is 7x plus 5y equals to 46. Now we have to draw a graph for both these equations, get the answer, and this is the graphical solution. From here we can get the point is 3, 5. Cost of each pencil is rupees 3 and pen is 5. Half the perimeter of rectangular garden. So here we have to take length of garden be x and width be y. So it is half of the perimeter. Now what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? Yes, very good. This is 2 into L plus B. So here we have to put L as x and B as y. Half of 2 is x plus y equals to 36. and the next one is length is 4 meter than its width. So x equals to 4 plus y, and x minus y equals to 4. So these are the two equations, and after solving this one we get the solution, which is 20, 16. It means length of garden be x and width be y. So length is 20 and width is 16. Now draw the graph for these equations. Again, after solving this one we get this is a triangular region, okay, and we have to find the triangular region. So this is triangular region whose vertices is 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 0, 4, 0. This is 4, 0, and at this point minus 1, 0. Okay, students, again question time. From the graph, what is the common solution for both the two equations? And your time starts now. So what is the common solution for these two lines? Okay, so your time is over. Yes, correct answer is B, 2, 5. Okay, class, now last question, feedback question. Give feedback for today's class. So how do you feel? Okay, and time is over. Okay, students, so what did we learn today? We learned about the graphical representation and geometrical representation of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, first we represent them in algebraic representation, which is a form of x, y, like this. Okay, then we draw a graph for this equation, which represents a straight line. So these are the two methods, and by the use of graphical method, we also got the solution of both the equations. Okay, friends. So now it's time to end the class, and we will meet in next class. Till then, goodbye and thank you.